Hello, today at Model Corner we're looking at the Gemini Jets Amerijet Boeing 767-300ER BDSF in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this comes packaged in a nice presentation box which has an image of the plane on it. It's identical to the one found inside. The make of the plane and the airline it ran with, Amerijet International, which is a cargo airline. On the back we have another image of the plane and information about what a Gemini jet is. Back to the front, we can open it up. You can see there's a window showing you the plane, so you don't have to take it out if you don't want to, and you can still see your Gemini jet. And then over here we have some information about the history of the plane itself, and then some specification information such as length, height and wingspan in feet and inches, and then some other stuff that you might like to know, like cruising speed, range, max takeoff weight, and things of that nature. Now let's open it up and have a look at the model itself. So here it is. Just remove the plastic cover. Little plastic sheet. And there you have it. The Amerijet Boeing 767-300ER BDSF. So the 767-300ER is the extended range, but the BDSF tells you that this was converted from a passenger plane to a cargo plane. So originally this would have flown passengers, now it's doing cargo. Now let's look at some of the details. You can see the Amerijet livery here, nice symbol here, red and blue stripes, nice simple thing, which you can also see on the winglets. We have symbols here too. Now let's look at some of the detail. You can see like flaps, the ailerons, of course. Back to the winglets. We can see on the stabilizers we have elevators, rudders. It's very nicely detailed. And as cockpit, you see very nice detailed landing gear, very sturdy. This is a die-cast metal plate, of course the whole thing is very sturdy, but there may be some smaller parts you're going to want to be delicate with. But as long as you're not daft with it, it'll be fine. Getting a look on this side. Still the same level of detail, very nice. Let's look at the registration of N349CM, little American flag there. Of course, was the same on both sides. It has a wingspan of about 12 centimeters and is about 14 centimeters long. So it's a very nice size model. If you know this plane, and it is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.